Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes. This video will show you how to enter the northbound NTE 35W TEXpress lanes from Weatherford Street and downtown Fort Worth. Head east on Weatherford Street, then move over to the far left lane. After crossing North Hampton Street, you will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discounts through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more information on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. The entrance ramp to the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes is located on the left, immediately past the white pricing sign. Drive safely, and we'll see you on the next trip.